In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a login page to the Dawn theme in Shopify. This process is pretty straightforward, so if you follow along, you'll have it set up in no time. Let's dive right in. First, we'll need to navigate to your Shopify admin page. So go ahead and open Shopify and head over to the My Store section on the homepage. This is the central hub for everything related to your store, from products and orders to settings and reports. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a variety of options. What we're interested in today are the settings that will allow us to set up the login feature on your store's theme. Now, over on the left-hand side, you should see the settings icon in the lower part of the menu. Click on it. This step takes us into the wider settings menu, which controls various aspects of your store, like general preferences, billing, and even checkout settings. Since we're setting up a login page specifically, your focus should be on the customer accounts section within these settings. So, within the Settings menu, locate and click on the Customer Accounts option. This is where you can manage how customers can interact with your store regarding their accounts. In this section, you'll find several customer-related options. We're looking for the setting that says Show Login Links. You're going to want to enable this option. Enabling Show Login Links is crucial because it makes the login page accessible to your customers. This feature allows your customers to have personalized accounts on your site where they can manage their orders, view their order history, and store shipping and billing information for future purchases. Simply turn this feature on and it will automatically add login link options throughout your storefront, making it visually clear to customers that they can create an account or log in to an existing one. There you have it, a simple yet effective way to enhance your Shopify store's user experience by allowing customers to log in and manage their accounts. Implementing this feature not only streamlines the shopping process but also encourages customer retention, as users can easily return for future purchases. Remember, keeping your customers engaged and providing them with a hassle-free shopping experience is key to maintaining a successful online store. And that's all for today's guide on adding a login page in Shopify's Dawn theme.